I don't know. Okay, man. Gaga kids maintain again ayo. 50.
You need the pizza.
How enough?
Top?
Yeah, they need 50 for that.
50,000, right?
Yeah. So guys, we're going in the airport. When the airport, say hi. Take this in. Authority.
It's Uganda Airlines, but we're going to
So check how much is that.
Now you guys are you come.
So, this is our place here. Chuku, Authority, where are you guys? So, I was saying that today is cleaning up, and you guys see Daddy is there. Say hi, Daddy. That is lying down, and here is the clothes. Those ones we are going to put them for stitching. You see, sometimes if you have a clothes and they are already, taught somewhere, you need to make sure you put them for stitch. And this is my clothes. So now we are packing the place. Yeah. You guys know we are just relocate to Nigeria. And this is the house that we are renting. You can see this is our house, and this is the hobby is there. Yeah, this is the out, and then this is our pure water, and just a normal life. Yeah. So now I'm arranging my husband's clothes. He did that, not me. He did that. And then I'm arranging my own down there. And yes, let's arrange together. So yeah, this is how my day is going here in Nigeria. So I love the outcome. I love the picture, guys. So yeah. So how are you guys doing? Let's make the packing clothes. So yeah, that is it. So let me just update you this one, and yeah, after the cleaning, keep watching. Huh? Well, I not be small one. Where are you going?
I have to go.
Make I laugh for you. You look tired.
Amo, I just struggle. Don't give my
What's in there here for your pocket? Nah, see the way you hang this thing.
Now that's how we used to hang it. In those days, I was into interior. Say because I live interior, come in that church fully. No miss, I don't know my left and right.
Your left and right, okay? No?
I know my left and right.
I can see that.
So, our people, let me go and measure our church.
So Daddy is going for church measurements. Yeah.
So we can decorate the place and put it
Yeah,
in
we
order.
can decorate the place and keep
By
it in order.
Thursday, we kick off.
By His grace.
By God's grace.
So yeah, go well. Huh?
Aroya go. All they all look very sharp.
So yeah.
Where I go?
Yeah, see you soon. Love.
See you, eh?
Ngwa. Go well. Go well.
See you soon, eh?
Make it, yeah, see you soon. Make it come back on time. All right, so guys, we are still arranging. Sit up. You want that, man?
No, this man not come back on time.
You want that, mommy?
I know you cheated, Daddy. Daddy, I know you cheated. I know you cheated.
Don't come here. Don't come this side. Okay, you can reach there. Okay, go that side and reach there. Go towards that side, madam. Go towards that side. Hey, Shinike. Oh, anointing. I reach there where you want to reach now. I beg me can leave my life alone. So guys, yeah, we are still cleaning up, okay? Keep watching. Guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on the time you are watching us from. So this is the day that the Lord has made. So today we are just cleaning up. As you guys can see, Daddy is there. Say hi, Daddy. This is my cloth. I'm trying to arrange those clothes, and this video is going to Facebook. Yeah, this is video. So Daddy has already done with packing its clothes, and this is me, and this is my clothes here on the ground. I'm still packing. As you can see here, packing day. So yeah, yes, my love. You want to susu? Yeah, go on susu now. Love, Bobby, help him open the place. So yeah, guys, this is how my day is going here in Aba, trying to pack the clothes. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for always loving us. Let's go. Let's go, guys. So those are my home clothes. I'm packing. Yes, Mama.
Move it. Bring it out.
What is that? I beg, be careful with sound. Yeah.
Yeah, come.
Close that door, I beg. Okay. Ada, go and sit down. Go and look for the comb in your room. So yeah, guys. Anante, are you done? Okay.